So hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we gonna the talk about interesting makes I while speaking the English is the the common to everyone. So many people are there they are speaking the English. It is the initially there are so many mistakes they are doing. So some of time some people are thinking, yeah, I am so many mistake we are doing like ourselves. They are thinking like that way. So, in your opinion, guys, so don't think about that. Because of why I'm saying means, because of if you made a mistake, after that you know, yeah, I did that mistake. So hereafter I am not doing that same mistake. So if you made a mistake, it's a helpful for you guys. Don't think like that. Yeah, I made a mistake, so I won't speak year after. So don't do that, guys. Because of if you know, if you are the some of the best friend, if you any made a mistake, there are they let you know, But if you haven't any best friend, how do you know your mistake? So that is the problem. For example, in your home, you made any mistake, your the parents are that tell to you don't do that like that way because of that is the bad way. So I would say these are the like that way your parents told you. So after that you realized, yeah, this is the wrong. So hereafter I am not doing like that way. So after that your thought will be, yeah, oh, this is the wrong. If I did, our parents will be like the some of the like shouting. So there will be done. So I am not doing like that way. The child will be the thing like that. So after that, don't do that repeatedly. So for example, same like this for English learning also. If you while speaking them, some of the communication, some of the conversation, some between some people, it is a makes different. If you speaking to some of the people, that is a mistake. Like another person, there are let you know that is a good for me. Like the feedback, that is a better. But the same time, no one give you any feedback. How do you know your mistake? So that is the main problem, right? So in my opinion, so if you really made a mistake, you realize, yeah, I think that is the I made a mistake. So hereafter I am not do that mistake. So yeah, this is the like the correct mindset or the basic communication improvement needed, guys. So the same time, the mistake if you done the lot of things, yeah, it is the useful for you. Don't ignore that because of you made a mistake that is the useful. Like, yeah, this is the best example I said. Like the parents and the child, some of the mistakes they are done. After that, the mother and the father they will be shouting our sons. So this is the correct way. I think that is the best example. So don't fear about that mistake. So speak slowly and boost your the confidence. That is the make helpful, guys. So don't wait for the perfect time. It's a never come. Just start simple every day. At least the 5 to 10 minutes speak. That is the enough. So yeah, guys. So in this video, we are discuss about that how to make mistake, how to learn from that. So that's all. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and your family. So if any you need suggestion for any videos, so please let me in the comment section. I will do that in the upcoming videos. So thank you for the watching. We gonna see next video.